A massive explosion tears through an Italian ammunition factory, and the blast could have consequences far beyond Italy. The KNDS Ammo Italy facility in Colleferro, just 40 kilometers from Rome, produces ammunition linked to Europe's military support for Ukraine. A major fire and explosion have now struck one of the continent's defense production sites. And here is why Kyiv will be watching closely. The plant manufactures NATO standard 155mm artillery ammunition supplied to Ukraine through European defense arrangements. These shells are critical to Ukraine's battlefield firepower, meaning any disruption at a production facility could add further pressure to Kyiv's already demanding ammunition requirements. The images are striking. Flames engulf the facility before a massive blast sends a towering cloud of smoke over Colleferro. Firefighters and police rushed in as workers moved to designated secure areas. There were no reported casualties, but the bigger question is whether the blast has damaged production capacity or disrupted ammunition output. That could become a serious problem for Ukraine. Europe has been racing to expand ammunition manufacturing and replenish stocks while maintaining weapons deliveries to Kyiv. Any prolonged shutdown at a plant producing shells for Ukraine could mean another squeeze on a supply chain already under enormous wartime pressure. But the cause remains unclear. Reports say the fire began around a compaction press used for explosive powder, and KNDS has launched an investigation. There is currently no evidence of an attack or sabotage. Still, if the explosion forces a lengthy production halt, the impact could reach far beyond Italy, potentially creating another setback for Ukraine as it fights to sustain its artillery advantage.